Money strategy is not one size fits all. It changes with income level, but most people never adjust it. They earn more and simply spend more without upgrading their financial system, and that is where wealth creation breaks down. To understand financial growth, you must see income as stages where each stage requires a different strategy. At low income level, the priority is survival. This means covering essential expenses, avoiding unnecessary debt, and building basic saving habits. Even small savings matter here, not because of the amount, but because discipline is being formed. At this stage, the goal is stability, not wealth, because without stability, growth becomes impossible. But what most people don't realize is that this stage is not permanent. It is a foundation phase, and how you behave here determines everything later. The next stage is middle income. Here, income is higher, but expenses also increase, and this is where most people get stuck. Lifestyle inflation starts quietly: better salary, better lifestyle, higher expenses, and without structure. Money disappears slowly, month by month. So the strategy shifts toward debt control, consistent investing, and financial discipline, where repetition begins to create momentum, and momentum begins to create results. The goal here is financial foundation, not luxury or status, but stability that lasts. The third stage is high income. Basic needs are no longer the issue, but new and visible risks appear. Lifestyle inflation, status spending, emotional financial decisions, and pressure from comparison. So strategy must evolve again toward asset building, tax efficiency, and wealth systems. Because high income alone does not guarantee wealth if expenses grow just as fast. Many high earners stay stuck, not because they are careless, but because they never upgraded their strategy. At this stage, the key is ownership, real estate, business equity, investment portfolios, and digital assets. Money must be directed toward systems that generate more money, not just lifestyle upgrades, because lifestyle consumes income while assets multiply it, and that difference changes everything long term. Across all income levels, mindset plays a role, but structure matters more. Low-income mindset focuses on survival, middle income on comfort, and high income on growth and ownership. But mindset alone is not enough, because without structure, even strong intentions collapse under emotional pressure. Structure removes emotion, and emotion is the biggest financial risk. Fear leads to panic decisions, greed leads to overspending, and pride leads to poor financial choices. That is why systems matter more than motivation. Income gives you options, but strategy determines outcomes. Two people can earn the same amount, yet follow completely different financial paths. One builds wealth steadily. The other remains trapped in cycles of spending and stress. The difference is not intelligence or opportunity, but system design and consistency over time. Financial systems must evolve as income grows. Otherwise, money leaks increase on most of those leaks are invisible. Many people never update their habits, even when their income changes, and that is where progress silently stops. At every level, money must be directed intentionally, not emotionally. Low income requires control and survival, middle income requires stability and investing, and high income requires asset expansion and optimization. When this structure is followed, financial growth becomes predictable, not random, not lucky, but systematic. And over time, inevitable, because systems compound and behavior compounds, and together, they shape financial direction. Three major insights remain. Financial strategy must match income level. Without system upgrades, income growth turns into lifestyle inflation. And wealth is built through structured financial evolution. The people who build long-term wealth are not always the highest earners. They are the ones who adapt their strategy as income grows. Not income, not opportunity, but behavior over time, consistently upgraded, is what ultimately defines financial success.